Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive on I-70 in the Rocky Mountains. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins about where the last one left off on I-70 eastbound near Idaho Springs. From here, we'll follow I-70 along the Clear Creek, out of the Rocky Mountains and into the city of Denver. This video will come to an end as I-70 reaches its interchange with I-25. This video is from the 9th day of my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has featured not only a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including an amazing sunset drive into Oklahoma City and or I-10 west of Phoenix and into California. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also make sure to check out the video description to see a list of places we have been or are going to be, and also other ways to support this channel. Finally, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this trip or other future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving east on I-70 in colorful Colorado. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue on I-70 in eastern Colorado towards Kansas, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.